Hello everyone, it's me again, Mian, and today I will show you the field that people here grow vegetable and potato.
Cái này những cái ruộng này cái này ta cuốc pin lên đó cuốn lên đó hàng vai mà mưa ấy rồi cuốc lên để cho nó khô đất rồi.
We took water in a small stream to irrigate. This time is dry season here, so we need to irrigate in 3 days, 4 days. And it's not the hot weather like in the summer, so we can irrigate in the morning, at noon, or in the afternoon. And with the potato, we can harvest this one in middle of March. So this one we will serve it in our house, Mian Eco House, Đình Lập. If you come here in that time, you will have chance to harvest it. Here we also grow some vegetable like cabbage, lettuce, cauliflower, beans, spring onions, garlic, and this one just for the family, not to sell to the market. It looks so nice, and you will also enjoy this vegetable when you stay at our house. At Mian Eco House Đình Lập, we bring you a local experience you never had before. Thank you for watching. And to look for our room, you can go on Hostel World, search the name Mian Eco House Đình Lập, and go on Google Maps to see where we are, and contact me on WhatsApp to have detailed information, or if you have any question, I'm happy to see you here. Have a good day and goodbye.